This customer brought this car in and it's got road tar on it, as you can see across here, all the way to the bottom of the rocker. This is our mixture right here. I'm going to spray it on. I'll let it set for 5 minutes. I'll speed it up so you don't have to sit there for 5 minutes. Now you can see it running off already. You can put some rags down on the floor to collect it. We're going to let that set for 5 minutes, spray it again, wipe it all off. Spray it again. Let that set for about 15 seconds. We'll take our clean shop towel and do one wipe across it and watch this. Road tar is off. I'll do a little more wiping on it just to show you. We'll spray it down a little bit more and wipe it the rest of the way off here. And that's it. Glad you're here with us. Come back again. Take care, ladies and gentlemen.